Personal experience, ease of use. How RapidReviewz works. True, creating a video is never an easy task. Not to mention the need to advertise a product and persuade consumers to purchase it. However, using RapidReviewz, you can quickly make a review video that completely illustrates the product. Let me provide an example. Check out its main dashboard first. The hottest goods as well as how many jobs you have completed will be disclosed to you. This suggests that you'll never run out of review topic ideas. It's as easy as 1.2.3.4. Step 1. Enter a link or keyword. You can enter any link, URL you like, doesn't have to be a site you own. If you enter a keyword, RapidReviewz will extract relevant content from our huge database. RapidReviewz will quickly format and populate video slides ready to turn into a video with one click, or edit if you prefer. Step 2. Edit and upload. If you wish to edit, you can. Edit and reformat slides. Choose one of the animated backgrounds, add images, add audio, background music, voice-overs and narration. Upload completed video directly to YouTube from RapidReviewz. Plus, you can also download MP4. Step 3. SEO. You can quickly SEO each video you generate from inside the RapidReviewz dash with just a couple of clicks for fast and seamless ranking. If you follow the content video formula included, additional SEO effort is not required. Step 4. Traffic. Content videos rank quickly with little effort providing you follow their content video formula. It is indisputable that using his powerful software to quickly and easily create review videos that automatically attract visitors from Google and YouTube puts you at a disadvantage compared to all of your competitors. You no longer have to stress about the complexity of audio or video editing or spend a little money on pricey movies. In order to create hundreds of high-quality, engaging review videos whenever you want. Additionally, you'll get the best strategy for ranking these movies on Google and YouTube's first page as well as detailed step-by-step instructions. The designers themselves use this specific strategy to drive significant traffic and revenue without the need of sponsored marketing. Thirdly, the number of viewers, leads, or sales that review videos can produce is unrestricted. The more videos you create, the better your results will be. Using RapidReviewz, you can easily create hundreds or even thousands of review videos with only a few clicks. You don't have to expend the time and effort required to comprehend, use, and see results from other techniques like blogging, SEO, or social networking if you use review videos. Simply create a little video and upload it to YouTube to begin quickly and easily collecting traffic and sales. I'll conclude by stating that RapidReviewz is a piece of software that will revolutionize both online and offline marketing. As a result, they can generate an infinite supply of traffic, leads, and revenue. However, the production of review videos using this program just takes 1 to 3 minutes. Cloud-based RapidReviewz is the following application. As a result, anyone can use this software. The two ways to use RapidReviewz to earn money online are most crucial. The first is for your own use, and the second is what you sell to clients. There is a one-time cost associated with this program. Following that, you can use it and keep getting benefits. Finally, I'd like to highlight that my friend, an affiliate marketer, bought RapidReviewz. After then, he used it for more than 5 days. Nevertheless, he created around 80 review videos. Additionally, he was successful in directing traffic from social media platforms like YouTube. He also gained a lot from the program I just described to you. So let me say that you will absolutely gain from this training. Complete the second part of the review, link in description.